are here. I just wanted to say a few things. We are thrilled that you are here today with us celebrating our 50 years anniversary. For a small business, that's a big milestone. Very few businesses are able to celebrate their 50th anniversary. We have to thank all of you because at the end of the day, we are here today thanks to all of you and all your support. So big appreciation to all the staff, all the owners, all the customers. And a couple of trivia things that I wanted to tell you. When the co-op opened in 1974 was Lucy, the oldest skeleton, was discovered in 1974. Hank Aaron broke Baby Ruth record in 1974. And the 1974 was the first time in a grocery store that UPC was done. So again, thank you guys for coming today. We're really grateful and blessed that you have come to join us today. Thank you.